I'm going to be showing you how to fix matches disappearing or reset automatically in Bumble. So to fix disappearing matches on Bumble, the first thing you need to understand is they can expire after 24 hours if no message is exchanged, or the other user may have unmatched you or deleted their account or been moderated for guideline violations. There are a number of reasons that can be happening. If matches are vanishingly disappearing unexpectedly, then you can try updating and reinstalling the Bumble app. So just find the Bumble app, which is right there, and long press it, and then just tap on delete app and just delete the app, and try reinstalling it again through your app store or your Play Store. Ensure you are running the latest version of the Bumble app from your device's app store, and if it's still not working, then you just need to be patient. If you want to get a match back after it expires, you will need to wait for it to reappear in your match queue. Or for faster access to expired matches, you can upgrade to Bumble Premium or Bumble Boost, which offer features to get your matches back. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.